Hi, I am Suraj Prasad. I'm a BTech graduate from IIT Patna, Electrical Engineering Department, and I've been associated with askIITians for the past 4 years as a chemistry faculty here. Today, I'll be discussing the chapter of structure of atom with you guys, and I'll be discussing all those parts which are very important as your JEE level exam or any another competition exam is focused. And this chapter is very important. The reason is because every year it has been seen that at least 3 to 4 questions they come in the JEE exam. I'll be discussing first of all the introduction part with you. Then I'll be telling you the all theories which were proposed to to locate the electrons, protons and neutrons in an atom, how they are arranged in an atom. And then I will tell you about the hydrogen spectrum and the most recent model of atom, that is quantum mechanical model of atom, which was for the development of dual nature property of matter as a wave and as a matter as well of electron. And then I will tell you about the periodic table classification of as a elements as electronic configuration, because electronic configuration they constitute the whole periodic table, which we'll see soon. So let's begin with the introduction part, guys.
Atom, that is quantum mechanical model of atom, and at last we'll see the electronic configurations, which helps us to understand the modern periodic table. So let's go on with introduction part. So what is an atom? So atom is considered as the most basic unit of matter, which is present in everything. In 1803, John Dalton, he put forward a theory which is explained as the composition of matter. And what did he say? He said that an atom may be defined as the basic unit of matter which takes part in any chemical reaction. It is the basic unit of matter. Further, research also shown that atom, which is indivisible but can be broken down. Atom is not indivisible, which was said first before by the Dalton. So the most important constituents of atom or the fundamental particles, they are what? Electron, proton and neutrons. And there is exception here of hydrogen, because hydrogen they don't have the neutron. So other than hydrogen atom, every atom it contains 3 subatomic particles.
Well students, so we have seen in this part that which are the topics we need to cover. Plus we have also seen the introductory part of what an atom is, what it is constituent. And we have also seen a small word of John Dalton here, which we will further explore in the next slide, next part. So stay tuned with me for that.